This is it. The final cube. I know we keep saying that, but this is the final one. I'm sure we'll get more along the way, but this is the end of the road for now. So, let's see. We make it a good one?
I don't know.
Come on. Do it. Okay. And... take it. What do we got? An uncommon comet. Oh, no. We don't have that.
No, we do not.
Oh, uncommon comet. Add it to the list. Look at that getting filled out. Look, we've got 4 Alphies across, 3 comets across. Missing a couple of Junos in there. Look at him with his purple fur and his spots. He looks great. Look at that. Whoa, 591 and a pretty good cereal also. Oh, wait, what did I just do? Yep, common. That was right.
Yeah, we got a lot of Alfies. I think we got an Alfie in every one that we at least got 2 in.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah, we got Alfie in everyone we've ever got.
Go, check it out. Good, something new. And look, so let's see, where's... Right, so there's the uncommon comet, and there's the uncommon Alfie. There they are with their spots. And real quick, what does the uncommon Juno look like? Is he spotted also?
No, I don't think so.
Well, let's see.
I think he might be blue and purple.
Oh, he's that one. He's got the little purple and blue stripe.
He's kind of that.
Right. Like these guys are all rainbowy.
These guys are all color.
Like drawn, it looks like. Right. And these are like bright neons.
Neons.
And then the black with the colors. But
yeah.
There we go. This is so cute. Cool. All right. Well, the last one we don't have. Not the highest rarity we've pulled, but not a dupe. So that's a good way to go out. What do you think? Cool. All right, guys. It's been fun. That's it. We're dry for a little bit, but you know the Cryptoys team, they always have news right around the corner, and I'm sure they've got something cooking up for us. And you know when they do, we will reload and start all over again. Until then, watch the other ones, have fun, and we'll see you guys around.